Yeah, Mr. Roblox is 349. We're at foam wash. We're gonna get the top wash, Dad, right?
Yep.
Here we are. Here it is. New ceramic. Here we are. Here we go. All right. We're gonna get the ceramic wash for $25, right?
Yes.
Here it is. Here we are.
Hey, how you doing?
What's good, brother? You can pay with card here, right?
What's that?
You can pay with card here. The ceramic.
All right, sure. Ceramic's $25.
Yep, cool.
Right.
Yeah,
and
cool.
If you're interested, we're also doing a sale for our unlimited car wash.
Yep.
Only $10, starting to get the whole month of car washes.
No.
After that, just price of 2 car washes. You can come as many times as you want.
I'll give it to the wife.
Yeah. All right, definitely. Yeah, there's
Okay.
no contract or cancellation fees either. So you can try it out for $10 if you wanted to, and cancel whenever.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I'll let her know, man.
All right, for sure.
Up, ready?
Nah.
All right.
Yeah, and we don't need receipt. Yeah, here we go. Up. Close your window.
All right, boss, you're all set. Thank you very
To the
much.
bucket,
Have a good
bro.
night.
All right, thanks, man.
Here we go. Oh, we got the ceramic wash for $25. That was quick. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, let's dirt. Up, here comes hot pre-soak. And here comes foam bath. And right there. There we go. Let's start the wash. And here comes hot pre-soak. Right there and there. Here comes the top wash. Here come more brushes. Here comes another top brush, and here comes the Hot Wax Shine right there. And here comes the mirror curtain right there. Here comes the high pressure. Turn down your volume again. And here comes ceramic as well right there. And here comes Rain-X. Here comes Rain-X. Here comes final rinse. And here comes dry and shine. Here come the dryers. These are Simoniz dryers again. And here comes dry and shine right there and there and there. Here comes tire shine right there. That's cool. And here comes top brush. It's doing a great job so far. Oh, and that's the wash. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.